How to fix the lock screen picture not changing on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your lock screen image updating properly again. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From there, click on Personalize to open the personalization settings. At this point, click on Lock Screen. From there, check the drop-down next to Personalize your lock screen and make sure it is set to Picture or Slideshow rather than Windows Spotlight. After that, click on Browse Photos and select a new image from your PC. In the next step, click on Choose Picture to confirm and check if the lock screen updates. From there, press Windows key and L to lock your PC and confirm the new picture is now showing. Once done, if the picture is still not changing, go back to Personalize and click on Lock Screen again. Following this, if you are using slideshow mode, click on Browse and select a different folder containing the images you want to cycle through. From here, make sure that folder actually contains multiple images, as slideshow will not change if there is only one picture available. At this stage, if it is still stuck on the same image, right-click on the Start button and click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal and run it as administrator. From there, type in sfc/scan now and press Enter to scan and repair any corrupted system files that may be affecting the lock screen feature. Keep in mind, if you recently changed a group policy or are on a managed work or school account, your administrator may have restricted lock screen customization, which would explain why the picture is not changing. Finally, restart your PC, lock your screen again using Windows key and L, and confirm the new picture is displaying correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the lock screen picture not changing on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.